Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Canutalo IP. Today we are going to see how to configure a GDS3705, but it can be any version or any GDS model directly with an IP phone. We are going to use a GXV3450, but it also applies to any model. This connection is known as peer-to-peer. Both devices need to be on the same network so that they can be dialed via IP. If you notice, the GDS has 5.17 and the phone has 5.2, so both are on the same network. We proceed with the configuration. We go to Accounts on the GDS side, Account 1, activate the account checkbox, enter the SIP server and the phone's IP address, copy and paste, and in the user ID and authentic ID, we add a random number, which can be anything. I'm going to assign it 1, display name the same. We enter these three pieces of information and click Save. We go to the Phone Settings tab, Phone Settings, disable Use Random Port, click Save. Obviously it will not appear active because it is an IP communication, without registration. Next, go to the Phone, Accounts, Account 1, check the box, add a number or a name, enter the GDS IP address in the SIP server field, copy and paste, enter the same number in the user ID field, authenticate ID, and display name, click Save and Apply, go to SIP Settings, uncheck the SIP registration box, and click Save and Apply. Go to Phone Settings, General Settings, uncheck the Use Random Port box, and do the same, Save and Apply. Once the change has been applied, we go to the GDS to Door System Settings, to the Basic Settings option, identify the option called When Doorbell Pressed, and add the phone's IP address. We enable a PIN to be able to open from the phone. I'm going to set it to 9, and we verify that we have checked this option, enable DTMF Open Door, and click Save. Finally, to be able to open from the phone, we must also go to the GDS Phone Settings, Waitlist, and register the ID we used to dial from the phone. We define this here in Accounts, and it is this ID, so that when we dial, we can open the door. With this, we would have all the configuration done. We then proceed to perform the tests. We dial from the interphone, the call comes through, we answer, we dial 9 and the pound key, and it opens. We then proceed to dial in reverse. From the phone, we dial 2 and the pound key, which would dial the GDS. The communication is established, we dial 9 and the pound key, and it opens. With that, we finish the tests. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.